Good morning, traders. You are welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Okay, Cabo CBO. We talked about this particular level yesterday, and I did make it very clear that that will be our point of aggressive entry. So coming to market this morning, I was like, okay, so this is the level that we picked, and we have a very, very perfect reaction from the level and a very, very sweet swing point from the level, and it's serving like as our pure uh, aggressive entry. So now the target is 1 to 5 automatically, according to my own something. That would have been 14 pips, but we didn't do that yesterday. And even with this money, we've gotten around 1 to 3 already. So now, well, with what we have currently in the market, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to find a way to continue with the trend. So what we're going to basically do, we won't do deeper analysis like we did yesterday. We just try and pick from where we are expecting some kind of analysis from. This is the level we picked as our strong guy, which we believe will be protected in the market. So that's our major strong guy. And here being a strong low, this particular level here is the level that will pick as our weak low, which we are anticipating external liquidity to be taken from. And mind you, we talked about the dealing range yesterday, and I talked about how this particular level on lower time frame has kind of mitigates the 50% daily range that we have. So we have a proper mitigation of all these levels to this extent yesterday. And that's the reason why I believe personally that we'll be moving from this internal structure that we have from within this leg. So we picked this level yesterday, this internal structure, but on lower time frame serve as very good needs that block for that matter. So now, since we have the reaction we are anticipating from this particular level, and it's kind of giving us something, so we didn't really have much to deal with from the 50% of the range that we pick from daily. So it is from this level that we'll be kind of looking for anything that we're going to do, at least for today. So from this level now, we still have 4 hour going. There is 1 hour. We still have more than 1 hour left for the candle to close, and anything can happen within the 1 hour. So, and for us having this week low now, the only thing that will determine maybe we're going to continue downward is the fact that if peradventure we close below this week low that we have here, we close below this week low, this major, this is the strong guy that we are expecting to be protected, and the external liquidity we are anticipating is the resting below this week low here. And for us having tapped the week low, then automatically on 1 hour we can be anticipating some kind of more movement now, but nonetheless, this is 4 hour candle and it's just to close. So wherever we determine, maybe we're going to continue downward, is the closure below this low. So we'll be anticipating that. But moving forward, we will be going to 1 hour, trying to see what we can capitalize on during this London session. You see, this thing happen between the reaction we are anticipating happen between Asian and Frankfurt, and it just continued to move down just like that. So what we'll be anticipating from this level moving forward is kind of trying to analyze what we have within this leg here. So here is our daily range now. So what we're going to do is pick this level to be our minor strong low, strong guy, and we are anticipating the creation of weak low. Now we've gotten this level to be what is it called? Um, we have this level. This is the leg that you know this it's created another block here that catapult the price into this level, and we are anticipating then automatically this leg is supposed to hold. But for what we have here, we can still call it either trend change or flip. So it's a structure break anyway. So let's put it that way. And from within this leg, since we are waiting for what is it called? We want to continue downward, and we are still anticipating the creation of, a closure below this low or just tapping it and moving. So we still never know. But the only thing we're going to do, since we can pick our dealing range or our minor structure for now, what we're going to easily do is to try and flow with the market. But from the level we are seeing here on 1 minute, I mean on 1 hour, this level can serve as our mitigation block. This level can serve as our mitigation block. We can be having. So I believe it has even done that on lower time frame. We check properly. Okay. So it remains little for it to do that now. We have 2 minutes left. That can do to close. So, okay. So this particular level can serve as a mitigation block, sending price even lower in the market. And if peradventure price did not mitigate that mitigation block, probably we can be anticipating this internal structure to kind of resist the price from going higher. So we have this mitigation block here, and this is a TC, so we can be anticipating some kind of price action within this leg to send price lower and this internal structure. So these are the two levels that we can be expecting some price action from. So if we're going to take it this particular leg, this something, we can just take it to this extent to be our mitigation block in the something. So these two levels are where we can be selling aggressively from, depending on the kind of price action we see from this level. So from the current 1 hour is still, it remain 1 minute 30 seconds for it to close. And so I guess this, without much analysis, we don't have to struggle or stress ourselves over this. Something we can see a closure below this low is what we are anticipating. And from what we have here, we are already having the closure. So what we can be anticipating on our time frame is the proper mitigation of this mitigation block one, and at the same time, if this mitigation block was unable to send to hold price down or send price lower, then we can be anticipating some kind of reversal back into this internal structure for price to go lower. So that would be our anticipation, at least for today. And we're going to, this is the level I'm willing to be capitalizing on the market from. So I guess that will be all until, and another thing is for us to close below this low. If we didn't close below this week low, then automatically, we can be anticipating some kind of reversal into there. So that would be my projection, at least for today, and I'll be anticipating other flow in that direction. So believe that will be all. Thank you very much. Have a profitable and successful day. So I don't want the videos to be long since it's something we're going to be doing every day. Thank you very much.